These bikes are not made for it. They're not made for it. It's adult riders, very skilled riders on mini bikes on a pee-wee track on steroids, if you will. What's going on, everyone? We're at the 2020 6th Annual Gennusa Racing Turkey Derby. We had a lot of great people behind us this year. CSC Tires sponsoring the event. All these consecutive years, I can't thank them enough for being a part. We reversed the entire track this year. Everybody hands on deck this whole past week. Got a nice sponsorship from Mother Nature here a couple days ago from rain, just perfect amount. We got a high of like 55 degrees today, which is just perfect riding weather. So I'm really excited for this whole event. People are rolling in now. Got a lot of good food today. A lot of banners still going up right now over there. I'm really excited that this is happening again. We got good weather, and let's have a great day.
Track's sick. We're just, me and Waskop are walking it, checking out lines. Some cool stuff. Right behind us, we got a little dragon's back. I think a wheel tap triple and then a hop over. We got a split line right here. We were just talking about how we're gonna enter the turn and hit the spine, and it's just fun, you know, racing talk. Obviously, I'd say Nick because he's won every single year. I kind of think he's a sandbagger. He has way too much practice here. No, it's definitely Nick. It always is. You know, Borch is always real good. Bryce Ford, I heard, is coming. You know, he's probably going to be ripping, but, you know, I got a new 90, so they're all in trouble this year. We'll see that number 88 hopefully out front on the 10th lap.
It's a cool invitational event. Dirtworks comes. Who else comes to an event like that? You get one of the sickest pit bike tracks out here, and I don't know, what else could you ask for? So we got a little personal beef with everybody, who wins and who doesn't win. So this is one of the last years we're doing this here, so it's kind of bittersweet. I got my first podium here last year, so we'll see what I can do this year. And I don't know. We'll see how good Nick can do it next year at his new track.
The heat race was good. Found some good lines. I watched Nick's heat race, and he still got a little speed on me, and the whoops.
kind of looking slow out there.
Uh-oh. Well, I mean, I got some major fans here. I got a good backing, and that's hopefully that'll make me win, because I don't know if my skills will, but the guys here, they want me to win. So now we're a lot closer this year. The new bike's gonna help. It's ripping. I just got to figure out them whoops in that 10-lap, main event, and we'll be close. We'll have to put them over a berm maybe at the end, but it's part of it. I'm winning this year.
The track's turning out pretty good. It's going to be a little rough though for our race. Hopefully can hold it together for 5 laps.
Bad pat's gonna get punished. Here goes Bad Pat. I just wish we had a play for Somebody call a referee. All right, that is one down the line. Down the line. Came out in second. the outside. Yamaha next year. Phoenix Honda team is down with Phoenix. Gennusa in second.
Had to show the dirt bikers up, show them what a quad rider could do. And maybe next year we'll go up to the pro class and see if we do anything better. Thanks to Gennusa family, RipitupFilms, and everyone out here to make this happen. See you next year.
I just got off the podium from the Quad B win. Oh, I felt great after last year. Not having the greatest time. Crashed last year twice in the main. I'm glad to get it done this year.
Finally brought home the dub. And yeah, it's a little bittersweet here. I'm pretty pumped to bring this home, the last race here. So I don't know, we'll see what Nick can turn around and do at his new track. And yeah, I don't know, it was a fun time.
All right, this was the 6th annual Gennusa Racing Turkey Derby. I'm blown away with how this whole event went today. I won today, I'm happy about that, but I'm more happy about how everything turned out. Number one, no serious injuries is always a great thing to have. The bike and quad class were a hit. We had the Fat Pat and Mark showdown, which just played out exactly how I wanted it to. Great spectators, food, parking, everything went so smooth today that I'm so happy with this. I'm sad that this is the last year here, but I'm excited what this event has built for me, and I'm happy that it's built to what it is today. So, you know, head up, looking forward to next year and this event and years to come. A huge thanks again to CST Tires for helping out with this event. I mean, I'd love to get them out here next year, and just today played out awesome. I'm ecstatic right now, the whole event, if you couldn't tell. I hope to see all you guys next year. Again, next year is at a new location, so I think I might do the same size event next year or a little bigger just to see how it goes there. I'm not really sure yet, parking-wise and rider-wise. I hope to see everybody there, fans and racers. See you guys there.